from your side as a brother supporting Marc?
Yeah, I mean, it was the first time that year that I say, okay, I will not speak about my brother, because every race that I went was like, how is Marc? How is Marc? How is Marc? How is Marc? So maybe the 50th time that they asked to me, I say, okay, stop to ask me this. I mean, I'm not the person to say how is Marc, but it was not easy. I mean, that first year was, I mean, not really critical to be with him, especially
I was at home.
No, but you were at home, but you were recovering.
Yes.
I mean, and you didn't know the problem that you have inside your arm.